Home, it's more than walls and roof. It's where morning feels gentle, where every corners bring comfort, and where your family finally gets the space and lifestyle you deserve. And when a home sits in a premier community like Sonoma Nuvali, it becomes even more special. And let me welcome you here to our future home located in the vibrant and nature-filled Sonoma Nuvali, one of the most sought-after residential communities in the South. A stunning modern residence built on a 180 square meter lot area with a spacious 256 square meter floor area crafted for families who want elegance, comfort, and long-term value. So, good morning everyone. This is Jen Sorne of Elite Properties, and today we have a new listing right here in Sonoma Nuvali. From the beautifully landscaped open spaces to the clean architectural lines, this home sets the tone the moment you arrive. So, let's go inside and let's have a quick house tour. So, this will be your pedestrian gate. So, as you can see, we still have a lot of space here for your mini garden. So, napakaganda niya. Pwede pa kayo mag-add na ibang plants for additional accent. So, of course, this is the space for our two parking garage, which is located here. As you can see, it's very spacious and very wide. And I will share to you later on yung ating pinaka-service area, which is located there. But first, papasok muna tayo sa ating pinaka-main door. So, welcome to your new home. So as you can see, sa ating pinaka-main door, already a smart lock na. So this is the new modern na din talaga sa ating pinaka-property. And meron na rin tayo mga ready-built na mga switch kasi this is already a complete finished house and lot. So as you can see, this is the space for our living area, which is very generous space. And kompleto na din talaga siya when it comes sa mga socket. And of course, it has a different accent like this na included. Included na din yung mga ating air conditioner once you purchase this house and lot. So makikita nyo yung pinaka-ceiling din niya. It's very modern and very elegant. So going here naman, this will be the space, of course, for your dining area. So mapapansin nyo, it's very spacious too. One thing I like about it, when it comes sa kanyang kitchen area, it's very elegant. It has this island space. Of course, meron na din tayong refrigerator here on the side, mga cabinets na built-in na. Meron din tayo itong mga hanging cabinets. And of course, ang ating pinaka-kitchen sink, which is located here. Meron natin tayong gas range, gas stove. Meron na rin tayong, of course, na oven na included. And meron pa tayong additional more cabinets here for our pantry. So, di ba, napakadami niyang cabinets. So, talagang na-maximize every space of this property. So, here naman, meron pa tayo ditong additional area, of course, which is located yung ating pinaka-dirty kitchen ng ating property. And when it comes naman sa privacy ng ating housekeeper's room, meron na siyang sarili niya ditong room. And of course, it also has a toilet and bath. Ating laundry area, of course, dito na rin siya located. Ito yung na-mention ko earlier sa inyo na service area that is very generous space din. And ang kagandahan pa, it also has this. As you can see, meron din mga plants dito. So talagang, it really gives you a vibes of greenery. So ito pa yung additional space natin na I mentioned earlier, going to our service area nung nandun tayo sa may area natin ng car garage. And dito, ikot tayo. So para makita nyo, meron itong sliding door from your car garage. So, pwede din kayo dito dumaan if you're coming from your carport. So of course, dito naman sa ating pinaka-level 1, meron tayong isang room, which is napakaganda. This is perfect for your guest room, or pwede na rin siyang pang-adult room, pag meron tayong elderly kasama in our home. So, meron na rin siyang built-in cabinets. Of course, meron na din siyang aircon na kasama. So, one thing I like sa mga property na sinesell namin is yung merong room sa pinakababa kasi talaga nako-consider nila, especially kung may kasama silang elderly sa bahay. So, we also have a toilet and bath which is located sa ating pinaka-level 1. So, here, As you can see, malaki din siya and it gives a different accent. So, napakaganda. Meron din tayong additional storage dito sa ilalim ng stairs natin para sa mga unwanted stuff na gusto nating itago. So, we'll now go to our second level, which is kung saan located, of course, yung ating mga bedrooms. And I'm very excited to show it to you. So, let's go, guys! So, going up here sa ating pinaka-second floor, as you can see, yung pinaka-stair is very modern as well. That really gives accent to this property. So, silipin natin, of course, yung first bedroom here sa ating second floor. So, as you can see, no, it's very spacious as well. It also has a built-in cabinet. Meron tayong mga glass window and, of course, meron pa din siyang ganito. So, to give you additional ventilation para pumasok yung ating fresh air. And one thing I like about here sa ating first bedroom, it also has a toilet and bath, which is located here. It's quite spacious as well, so napakaganda nan. And meron naman tayo, of course, din common toilet and bath here sa ating second floor, which is located here. So, silipin naman na natin yung ating bedroom 2 here. So, here also, it also has a built-in cabinet. It also has a glass window and it also has a mini window here. So it really gives a lot of ventilation for this property. So let's go to our master's bedroom, which is located naman here. But before that, no, we have additional space here in this area na pwede nyo siya lagyan ng mga sofa, additional table, or anything na you want to add stuff for this property. Gandahan pa dito, no, meron tayo area dito na high ceiling siya. So makikita mo dito sa baba yung ating pinaka-dining area. It gives you a view of your neighbors. So makikita nyo, it also has a chandelier that really gives a beautiful accent to this property. So here's sa ating master's bedroom, of course. It's very wide and spacious. Makita nyo, meron na din siyang gantong accent located here. Pwede nyo siya lagyan ng, for your entertainment para hindi ka bababa sa ating living area. Meron na rin siyang mga ready na switch or outlet. Of course, meron na rin siyang air condition. When it comes sa ating pinaka-ceiling, no, it's very elegant as well. And one thing I like about here, of course, pagdating sa master's bedroom is meron siyang veranda. So, it's very spacious, no, hanggang dito siya. So, makikita mo yung mga neighbors mo here in Sanomando Valley. So, mapapansin nyo talagang mahangin dito sa area. And of course, yung design ng property is very modern, very elegant, at talagang napakaganda niya sa mata, no. So, talagang it really gives you parang pag tumira ka dito, wow, sabihin mo na lang, it gives you a peace of mind talaga. So, here, of course, master's bedroom comes with its own toilet and bath, and meron na rin siyang mini walk-in closet. That is perfect, syempre, sa ating mga couples. So, meron din ka maglagay dito ng iyong, meron na siyang mga built-in cabinets, pwede ka maglagay ng vanity mirror mo here, and of course, meron din siyang bathtub located here. And the shower area is located here. So, meron siyang sarili niya ng pinaka-glass. So, hindi mag-spill yung water. So, yun guys, napakaganda na ating master's bedroom. So, talagang very spacious and talagang pinag-isipan every space of the property is being used. So, quick recap for this property. It's sitting on a 180 square meter lot area with a floor area of 256 square meter. It has a 4-bedroom, 2 space for car garage, and it has a very spacious living and kitchen area. So that's the end of our tour. Home in Sanomando Valley with this level of space, features, and modern elegance doesn't stay long on the market. This is more than a property. It's the lifestyle upgrade your family deserves. All this can be yours for only 25 million. If you feel this could be your next chapter, send us a message today and let's turn this dream home into your reality. Once again, this is Jen Sorne of Elite Properties and hope to see you on my next one.